Hello, welcome to my special video. My name is Balind. Today we can now learn how to reuse all the things to make a thing. First, you need one of these paper things. Ask your mom to take one of those. If no paper of it is there, then take it. Next, you need one of this paper. Next, you need this. You are gonna need both. Next, you need this one and color. And ask her to take this box. He drinks all of his tea. And then we will see later why. If you got not any you want like me, take some color paper or take white paper. I will not use for the package my colored paper. I will use the white paper. And we will let them dry. So long they will dry, we will make the wheels. I am making the wheels like this. I got now 12 wheels, and now I will cut them out. After we cut them, we color them. Now we will let the wheel dry. Now I will make the steam engine so long the wheels are flying. Choo-choo! Right here, you're feeling all the colors are black. Now the first one is gonna be for the top. My mother cut these two so I could use them. The one, this one for the middle, and the other one for the left. Now I will cover it. Look at that, the plane number 1 is finished. Like you are seeing, number 2 is finished. Now I will draw the window and the door. And now the wheels. Now we have to connect the trains. Now we'll eat a lot of ice cream, so we could do with the ice cream sticks a lot of cracks for our plane. Now we are finished with my plane. I hope you like it. Let's see